Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to have this opportunity to be here with you and to share my thoughts about why leveraging global scale must be on the forefront of the company's agenda and what the implications might be of such an agenda for action. I hope you will put up with me when I pretend that I know much about the beer business or about SABMiller, which I don't, but I do have the advantage, perhaps, of looking at the company from outside, comparing it, SABMiller, to other companies, beer to other industries, and then to say what implications might there be for the company's agenda as it moves forward. I should actually, as I start, I should share an observation which occurred to me just last night as I was thinking about my talk today morning. And of course, when we look at SABMiller and the beer business, it's natural to compare us to other consumer product companies, whether it's Procter & Gamble, or Coca-Cola, or Unilever, Diageo, and others. But actually, I was thinking, perhaps the best comparison for beer, one of the oldest of industries, actually is with one of the newest of industries. Think about a company like eBay, a Yahoo, a Google. You don't go to eBay to buy anything from eBay. eBay is actually nothing but an eBay China, and eBay India, and eBay Japan, and eBay, etc., UK. And you go there to do a local business. What it is, actually, it's local businesses that are powered by eBay. The eBay is an integrated global enterprise. And actually, even though it's one of the newest of industries, one of the newest of companies, and we think of it as naturally global, but in many ways, actually, when it comes down to business, eBay is a more local business than perhaps even Procter & Gamble. And so as you think about what kind of a model for SABMiller may be appropriate, yes, it's companies like Procter & Gamble, but it's also companies like eBay. So as we think about where SABMiller has been and where it needs to go, I suspect you might agree with my observation that there are three types of people: those who make things happen, those who watch things happen, and those who wonder what happened. And I'm delighted and honored as an invited guest to be with people who clearly belong to the first category. The beer industry today has the global structure that it does precisely because